In this lesson, I will show you how to modify command manager or how to edit command manager. If you want to edit this command manager, right click here. From here, you have to go to customize. Before I go to customize, this is important for you to know what I'm going to edit. I can add any new tab, I can add any existing tab, or I can create a completely empty tab, and inside that empty tab I can put all necessary tool inside the tab. So if I right click here, go to customize, from here you will see all available tab is showing inside this, but this tab will be different based on your file. I am inside this part file, that's why this is showing all of this. If I am inside the assembly, this will be different. Now I will customize this. To customize it, I do not need to work with it here. If I go to here, you will see at the end it is showing new tab. If you want to create any new tab, you have to click here. If I click here, now it is showing me empty tab, or if I want to add any existing tool list inside this new tab, I can select it. Let's say I want to add this curves toolbar inside this new tab. So I will select it, and you can see this curve tab added here and all necessary curve inside this. If I right click on this tab, this is better if I move it to here so you can see it. If I right click on this curves and add to tab, from here you can add more. Let's say if I want to add fastening features, it added one more tab here. I will right click here. If I want to delete it, I can delete it here. I will delete it. Let's say for fastening feature, if I right click on this tab, from here if I want to rename this, I can rename it. If I want to copy this tab in assembly environment or in drawing environment, I can do also from here. For now, I will delete it. Now I will create a new tab, but I will create a new empty tab. I will select on this new tab, then select empty tab, and this is that empty tab. For this new tab, I have to put some new name, custom, and inside this there is nothing. Sometimes this is better to create a new tab. Let's say for your design there are 3-4 tool you have to work with most frequently, or 10 tool which is really very important tool to work. In that case you can combine all these together. So inside this I have to bring all necessary tool one by one. So I will go to commands. From here I will go to, let's say I have to work with sheet metal. So if I go to sheet metal, from here, let's say I have to work with base flange frequently, then S flange very frequently, then I will go to features, from here extrude, then hole wizard, then fillet. So all of this tool I have to use frequently. So that's why I put everything inside this. So this is how you can create your tab. So I will press close, and you can see this is always here. If you want to uncheck this, if I right click here, if I want to deactivate this custom, I will unselect it, and I will not see it again. If you want to activate it again, right click, select custom. Now you can see inside this custom everything is showing here. Let's say if I want to make a group inside this, I can also do that. Right click, customize, then here there is nothing to do here. I have to make a group from here. Let's say I want to make these two as a group and these three as a group. So I will right click on this and I will select begin a group. So it will create a border between these two. So that means this is separating between these two groups. So now I will assume this is as a group, this is as a group. Let's say I want to make this fillet as a separate group. I will right click here, begin a group. Now you can see there are 3 different groups. I will press OK. Now you can see there are 3 different groups. So this is how you can activate your tab, deactivate your tab. Also, if you want to bring any new tab which you can create, and also you can create your group from here. Also you can edit it, delete it anytime.